What's that?
This is the end of February, and the spring starts on North Féile Bríde in Ireland. St. Bridget's Day, the 1st of February, and everything is shooting up. But this hazel bush is beats them all. It comes up very early, and it's amazing. It's amazing what you can see in it. Like. Look at it. Look at it.
Wow.
These are the buds, and these are seeds to propagate and spread the hazel all around the place. My God, they're pure, beautiful. And there's nothing to compete with this time of the year because it's everything else is sort of only coming up, but it's a head start.
Beautiful.
Oh, God.
There's a big smile in your face there when you yeah. Cheers.
My God.
Yeah. Beautiful stuff. Yeah.
To be millions of hares around here in a million years' time. It's so beautiful that they put the name onto beautiful girls.
True.
There's an old well here.
All right.
And I heard them saying when the workman would be walking down to the bogs, the bog, to get water in a can to make tea at lunchtime from that well.
Wow.
And the beautiful clear water.
It is actually. It is clear
I wouldn't
water.
like to drink it.
No, not with the big rain pipe going through it. You're always happy out, Mícheál.
Sorry?
You're always happy out.
Oh, Jesus, if you're not happy out, you'll never be happy. If people only open their eyes and get away from the computers and embrace the nature instead of embracing technology.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true.
Look at that, geez. Look.
It is absolutely beautiful now.
Something else.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of it round, isn't there?
Yeah, it's very obvious at this time of year. You wouldn't notice otherwise. Like.
Yes. There was a lot of people asking for you on the internet.
Oh, was that right?
Yeah, there was a lot of people asking for you, yeah.
Not the same. Jeez, I thought he was fucking dead by now.
Not at all, no. No, yeah, a lot of people admiring you.
Yeah.
Admiring you, yes, on the internet, yes.
Why don't they write a letter and come over here sometime?
I'm sure they would, yeah. So, where can you be contacted at?
Huh?
Oh no, sure, we can discuss that again.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Yeah, but geez, yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of people there that was pretty.
They're probably locked up in prison. They can't get out. They're self-made jail.
No, they actually
they're married to the internet.
Yeah. No, they admire you and the work you done on the house and the whole lot like that, you know. Yeah. You have a lot of people.
All I do is following my dream, and there's a passion for that sort of thing.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. Well, you're following your dream and I'm following you.
Oh yeah. Well,
Yeah.
as long as I know where you're going, I'll follow you.
Yeah. Right. Well, you're the leader. Go on. You're the leader. Yeah.